Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Unpaid Landlord here, and I am back with another video. So, we're actually starting on Tuesday today, this video, because on Monday we didn't have any kind of trade on Monday. So, price just kept on falling on Monday without any retracement, even though I was bullish on gold. So that's just how it is. So today, even though this is a really late trade, I usually don't like to take trades this late in the day, but since we are still in New York, we are still in my session, and as my setup came up, I had to take it. It's basically my rules. I had to follow my rules. So we are currently in this trade right now, and for the reasons why I'm taking the trade, first of all, I'm still bullish on gold. And the reason why I am bullish on gold is basically, if you look, after we swept this high here, we actually sold down aggressively, right? Now, normally that would mean that we are bearish, but I have not seen signs that will basically confirm bearish direction. So you get, so it's basically like I always say, react, don't predict. I am predicting that we should sell on gold. But with what I'm currently seeing on the chart, it is we are not that's basically not giving me any reason to sell, so I have to buy, if that makes any sense. So that's basically the whole thing behind why I am currently buying on gold. So I'm currently in this trade. I took it on my 1K account. Because remember I told you guys last week that I will be rotating my accounts to trade. I'll be trading both of them at the same time to reduce the risk of losing the two accounts at once. So currently I'm still in 4% drawdown. If you guys can remember, I'm still 4% drawdown from the loss from last week. So and the missed trade that I did not take on my 1K account. So which is what it is. So uh I'll let you guys know how this trade plays out.
All right, guys, how are we doing? Today is it's really late today. Today is Saturday, and the reason why I haven't been able to film for the past like 2 days is because I've been really busy with other stuff that I've been doing. So I haven't really been able to update you guys on how this week had gone. You understand? So let's talk about how this week has gone for me personally, and let's first start from how the previous trade I showed you guys how we ended up. So this trade was a really was one I really struggled on because as you can see, price came very close to my stop loss, right? Very close to my stop loss and before shooting up. And because I ended up taking this trade so late in the day on Tuesday, um I basically had to leave the trade to run overnight. You understand? So, and it was something I hadn't really done on this account, and it's something that it affected my psychology a little bit. And the reason why I said this is this. Now you can see, as you can see, this trade went to full take profits, but as at I think it was around like 12 p.m., 12 a.m., around 12 a.m. when I was about to go to bed, I thought to myself that would it be better for me to move my stops to break even before I go to bed so that in case spread widens or anything through the night, through the Asian session, I won't be affected too much by slippage. Now, I believe I told you guys that I usually break even at 2 hour. You understand? But this was only 1.5 hour that it should have run to. Yes, by the time I was about to go to bed. So I ended up moving my stops to break even way too early, and it ended up in me getting taken out for break even, and price retracing to my take profits, which was, I'm not even going to lie, it was really annoying. I was really beating myself up for like a couple of days after this because I was like, That's two trades in a row that I have missed, that I have not capitalized on, and so it was a whole thing. And I guess that's just how trading goes. It's really a battle with yourself, and you keep fighting with yourself on how you are feeling mentally and all that. But it is what it is. I've moved on. I've noted it down. Obviously, I've noted it down in my journal and all that. So yeah, so that's how that trade went. So for the rest of the week, right? Gold just kept on buying without giving any form of retracements to join the buy. And and honestly, I'm not even surprised because it's something I know that gold usually likes to do. It just keeps buying, doesn't give anybody any reason to join, it doesn't retrace or allow anybody join, it just keeps going up. And sometimes that is how gold is. So yeah, so that was Wednesday. Then on Thursday, I had another trade that this one, I think what happened was it didn't tag me in. Really annoying. Like, I don't know, good sometimes. When it just goes, it just goes, and it doesn't look back. It doesn't allow you to get into anything. So as you can see, this was where I would have entered, and this was like, I think, um very few, yeah, very few pips, like 4 pips for my entry, and just went whatever. It is what it is. And on Friday, yeah, Friday was just shit price action. I can't remember, because Gold finally gave me the the sign that I was looking to see, that we are now selling. So, and I didn't get any sell entries. So that was just how this week went. So I took only one trade this week. I ended up in a kind of break even, kind of win scenario. So which was, I don't even know. So just real quick before I end this, I just want to let you guys know that this is really the where the discrepancies happen between backtesting and in live execution. You understand? Because on paper, like statistically, um, January has been a very good month for us. You understand? Because as of right now, if I look at just the trades I took, the trades I analyzed, and that came, I'm on my record for January is about, I think it's 3 wins and 1 loss. You understand, which is very good. But it does not all of those wins translate to an actual win on the account. You understand, which is that is how trading works sometimes. You understand? That's why you find out that you do your back testing and you do your data collection, and you find out that, let's say, you have about a 40%, 50% win rate. But when it comes to live execution, you find out that your actual win rate is nothing close to that. It's because of times like this. You understand? Because at the end of the day, it's back testing. Yeah, there's not a lot of emotions in back testing. There's no time. There's the time aspect is not backtesting where you have to wait, where you have to leave trees overnight, where you have to, and all that, and all those sort of things. They don't really affect your decisions when you're backtesting shit yet. So yeah, that's just how trading is done. That's how trading is. I've gotten over my mistakes. I know what I need to work on better. And yeah, and I'm just going to work on it. At the end of January is not over. We still have 2 weeks left in January. We can still do something great in January. And yeah, it's still long. We still have a very long year ahead of us. We can still do something. We can still get something great out of this. So yeah, uh, that's what I have to say, man. And yeah, okay. If there's nothing else for me to say, um, like and subscribe to the video. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'll be it out.